To own a home in Nairobi is a dream that many Kenyans can never achieve. That's why owning a home in its suburb is a dream not too far to attain. Today, we are in Hard Rock Estate, Kenyatta Road. This estate is located exactly 3 kilometers from Thika Superhighway and exactly 1 kilometer from the newly renovated Kenyatta Road. Next to me is a 5-bedroom, all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 300 square meters. This home has been constructed on a 100 by 100 piece of land, and to make it simple, it's a quarter of an acre. The price of this home is 39 million, and to make the deal extra sweet, the developer constructed 2 houses for you and your bestie. This home comes with a massive parking that will be enough for your 5 cars. Even if you have some guests here, the parking is sufficient. And if it's not sufficient, you can park some extra cars on the hallway to the backyard. The 2 homes come surrounded with only a live fence, but that does not affect the security because this estate is gated. I'll take you inside. Before we get to the front door, this home comes with a massive entrance porch, and above it you have the balcony from the family room. To get to the living room, you take a small hallway from the entrance, and I like it that this living room is sunken. If you check the details of this living room, you would call it modern. But on the other hand, I would call this living room classic. This is because it comes with the modernity of good gypsum ceilings and wooden-like floors. This space comes with a traditional chimney, but don't get worried. This one can be updated to a modern fireplace. The beauty of this home has been magnified by the indoor-outdoor environment that you get from these massive windows. If you're enjoying the tour so far, feel free to click the like button. By the way, I was reading through your comments a few days ago, and some guy said, "Mongai Kihara, your accent is horrible." And I was like, you just called my name. You never said Calvin Opio or the Duke of Hastings. So when you clicked, who did you expect to see? The King of England? I'll show you the dining area. The home adopts semi-open plan method, where the living room is slightly open to the dining area and the dining area is slightly open to the kitchen. As you can see from there, this space will be sufficient for your big family, and the space comes with 2 big windows that will give you very good views to the rest of the compound and very fresh air. On this side of the dining area, you have a wash basin, and below it you have spaces for your sanitizers and your hand wash. And above it you have a mirror just to make sure you look very presentable before you sit on the dining table. This door in the dining area will take you to the kitchen garden and the rest area. But this is not the only door that will lead you to those spaces. We have another door in the kitchen. The dining area opens to the kitchen through this square-shaped opening, and this space can also act as the breakfast table. To get to the kitchen, we will use this opening. As you can see from there, the kitchen is a very big space for all our ladies. This kitchen can be accessed through 2 doors. We have this door that comes from the dining area, and we have an extra door that will come from the entrance to the living room. This space has been reserved for your refrigerator, and as you can see, the space is big enough for a double door. Next to me, this kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and as you can see from there, the space is more than sufficient. I like it that the developer used patched grey granite countertops, and I'm fascinated by how they blend extremely well with the yellowy colors of the kitchen. I like it that this kitchen comes with several drawers for your cutlery and your crockery. This kitchen comes with an island that hosts a 4-burner cooktop. This island can also be used as a breakfast table as you chit-chat with everyone else in this space. But if you are crazy and evil, this island is more usable. Next to me, you have the sink area of this kitchen. I like it that it's a double sink, it is next to the window, and it will give you the best views to the backyard of this home. Below it, you have an extra storage. Next to me, you have this door that opens to your pantry. The pantry is of a standard size, big enough for all your dry foods, and I'm excited to see a pantry that comes with a window. I'll take you to the employee quarters. Before we get into the employee quarters, which is here, you have an extra storage here. Next to me, you have the laundry area of this home. Let me show you this. The laundry area is a sufficient space for your washer and dryer, and I like it that it comes with this door that opens to the clotheslines area. Let's see the employee quarters. Wow, this is among the biggest employee quarters we have seen in the channel, and I like it that it comes with a massive closet for your employee. If you have more than one employee, they can easily fit in this room. This employee quarters comes with its bathroom next to me, and I like it that the window is big to give you a very good view to the greenery outside. The employee bathroom is not the biggest, though it comes with a shower cubicle on one side and a washroom area on the other side. From here, I want to take you to the guest bedroom, but before we see that, I'll take you to the backyard. To access the backyard, we will use this door in the dining area. The kitchen porch of this home hosts a space for your gas cylinders. As you can see from there, the backyard is massive with a lot of greenery and 2 trees. On my left hand side, you have the other opening from the kitchen. Next to it, you have an extra space to wash your shoes. This home is equipped with a septic tank, and on the other side, it comes with an external washroom. Let's have a look at it, and then I'll take you back inside. The external washroom comes with a wash basin, a water closet, and a mirror. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen, we get to the center of this home. On my left hand side, I showed you the living room. On my right hand side, you have the stairs that will take you to the upper level. This is the guest bedroom, and this is the common washroom. You will see the common washroom first. The common washroom is of a standard size, adopting the same concept that we saw in the other washrooms, and it comes with a wash basin, and next to me it comes with a WC. And that means that it will not freeze your bum during the cold season. I'll show you the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is of a standard size, big enough for all your guests, and it comes with its closet on this side and its bathroom next to it. This is a standard floor-to-ceiling closet, and it comes with spaces here for the hangable clothes and extra spaces here for the foldable clothes. The closet also comes with 2 drawers down there. Let's see the bathroom. The bathroom is slightly big than the one that we saw in the employee quarters, and it comes with the washroom area on this side and a shower cubicle on this other side. From the guest bedroom, these stairs will take you to the upper level. But before I take you up, you can see there is some space under the stairs. This space can act as an extra storage, or if you have small kids, they can use it for their hide and seek. On the upper level, we have the 3 bedrooms, the study, and the family room. But before I show you any of the 3 bedrooms, just have a look at this massive window. And if you are a Christian, it gives you a cathedral-like view. That one is incomparable. I'll show you the family room. The family room is a sufficient space for you and your family, and even if the extended family visits, this space will be sufficient. The space comes with a TV area on this side and 2 windows on this other side. The family room has an access to the balcony, and from here you get the best views to the front yard and the neighboring environment. I'll take you back inside. From the family room, this is the first bedroom. Next to it, you have the study, and on my far left, you have the second bedroom. The primary bedroom is next to it, and we will see them in that order. The first bedroom is the smallest and it comes with its closet on my right hand side and its bathroom on my left hand side. This closet is similar to the ones that we saw in the other bedrooms and the bathroom is slightly smaller. The concept of a full view mirror certifies confidence every time you leave this room. The study is massive. This space can be used by the children in school or you can use it as an office. I like it that it comes with countertops, which makes it very usable as a student worktop. The study comes with 2 drawers for students' accessories and on the other side it comes with some shelves to act as a library. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the other bedrooms that we already saw, and it comes with a slightly bigger closet and a slightly bigger bathroom. I like it that this closet comes with a dresser, and the size of this bedroom makes it very easy to be used by the bigger kids. Let's see its bathroom. On this side of the bathroom, you have a wash basin, and next to me, you have the shower cubicle. On this other side, you have the water closet. These bathrooms come with all the necessary fixtures that you may require. Before I forget, all the doors in this home are mahogany. From the entrance, you are welcomed by a massive closet. Unless you are a clothes collector, this is more than sufficient. I like it that the closet comes with a dresser at the center and spaces on the other side for your shoes. By the design of the gypsum ceiling, this is where your king-size bed or your queen-size bed should be. And as you can see, this space is big enough to accommodate 2 side drawers. I like it that this space comes with some directional lights. The room comes with a massive window, and it being on the opposite side of the closet gives the room a very warm feel, and it makes it easy for you to dress even if the lights are off. This door takes you to the primary bedroom and the other one takes you to the primary balcony. We will see the balcony first. The primary balcony gives you the best views of this estate, and because it faces the east, you will get the best morning sunshine. From the entrance, the bathroom comes with a shower cubicle, a vanity setup, and next to it, you have a bathtub. On this side, the bathroom comes with a WC and a urinal tub. This is a game changer to all the men whose spouses can't stop complaining about the toilet lid. I'll show you the shower cubicle. The shower cubicle will easily hold you and your spouse, and it comes with a rain shower and a towel holder. That's all for this bedroom. As we are coming to the end of the tour, we hope you have enjoyed. Living next to the most influential people is not a big problem. Anyway, you just need 39 million and this home will be yours. That's all for today, and as always, we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.